Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Kristi, and today I have a super simple recipe. This is a chicken bacon ranch pasta salad. Before you leave, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a part of my YouTube family. If you like this kind of video, give me a thumbs up. All ingredients will be listed in the description box below, as well as other recipes from this series. There is one minor correction here. I have the Hidden Valley Ranch dips. I meant to have the dressing packet out. Start out by choosing your favorite pasta. We chose the penne, but ziti or bow tie noodles would work just as well. Boil your pasta as recommended on the back of the box. The penne in this one is only a 7-minute boil, and I love that it's so quick. While the pasta is boiling, I go ahead and mix up the ranch packet. Many of the ranch packets have different directions. For this one that I'm going to be using today, it calls for half a cup of milk and half a cup of mayonnaise. I suggest just reading the back of your packet to see how to make it in dressing form. Once you have your mayonnaise and milk in a large bowl, you will add your packet of ranch. We are using Chipotle ranch in ours today, but the recipe calls for ranch. You can use any flavor that you want. There are several different kinds on the market right now. I know that Hidden Valley Ranch makes a spicy ranch. You'll just need to whisk the 3 ingredients until it is smooth and not lumpy. If you're interested where the Chipotle ranch packet came from, it was Aldi. Once you have finished this step, you need to refrigerate this dressing mixture. It will thicken up, and while it is in the fridge, you can go ahead and get your next ingredients ready. While the dressing is being refrigerated to thicken up, I go ahead and chop up my bacon. I will be using this entire pack of Oscar Mayer fully cooked bacon. This package has 9 to 11 bacon strips in it, and I do stick those in the microwave for about 45 seconds just to crisp them up. You can chop these up any way that you like. I just like to stack them on top of each other and then just run a knife through them, but you can pull them apart. It's just whatever is the simplest for you. Also, I love using the pre-cooked bacon. It's what makes this recipe so simple. Using pre-cooked bacon and the pre-cooked chicken strips. I'm not gonna lie, I am picky with my pieces of bacon, so if there are any fatty pieces, I like to get those out. I'm not a fan. And of course, you can always add more bacon to this recipe if you like. Any of the ingredients you can add as little or as much as you prefer. I wasn't happy with the way it chopped up with a knife, so since it was crispy, I went ahead and crumbled it up just by hand. Once your noodles are finished boiling, you will want to strain those and rinse them in cold water. The next ingredient that I will be adding is the fully cooked grilled diced chicken breast. This is already diced, but of course I want the pieces smaller, so I go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces. I want to end up with about 2 cups of diced chicken. This would be a great recipe if you have leftover chicken breasts. Also, if you have a rotisserie chicken and you have chicken left over, that would be perfect for this recipe. You could also add some diced tomato to this pasta salad, but my family doesn't like tomatoes, so I did leave that ingredient out. This is one of those pasta salads where you could choose so many different ingredients, but it's just a great basic recipe and you can vary it up however you like. The next ingredient is shredded cheese. I like to use a mild cheddar and I add only half a cup, but you could do more if you'd like. Now I'm going to add the pasta to the chipotle ranch dressing. It has thickened up some where it was just in the refrigerator for about 5 to 7 minutes. On top of the pasta, I'm just going to add my other ingredients, my half a cup of shredded cheese, my 2 cups of diced chicken, and my chopped bacon, which is about 9 to 11 pieces. You're going to want to mix this really well to incorporate all of that dressing into these noodles. I also add salt and pepper, but I know that that is just a personal preference. If you like either one of those, please feel free to add what you like. And this pasta salad is complete. I do like to refrigerate this for several hours before serving. This is a great recipe to take to a cookout. It is a wonderful lunchtime recipe also. This is a perfect summertime recipe. You do not have to heat up your kitchen, and if it's really hot, then you have a nice cool lunch or side dish. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check the description box below for ingredients. I will also have in the description box below my Instagram name if you'd like to follow me there. I hope everyone is having a great day and I will see you next time. Bye. The following recipes will be linked below in the description box. This was my Easy Summer Recipe series, and I hope everyone enjoyed.